Who's this up ahead? Oh, it's Lawler and 11-month-old boxer mix from Shelby Humane Society in Alabama, Alexander. They're kind of going on a walk of sorts. This video is about Alexander. Lawler already has his video. Alexander is 11 months old, 40 pounds, and is super friendly. So friendly, in fact, he jumped in his assessor's lap. Looks like he's got a little bromance going here. These two are the perfect pair. They're about the same age and the same size and the same energy level. Alexander can go home with anyone who wants an active dog around. We've not tested him with children, but there were no concerning behaviors during his evaluation. I guess they're just not stopping. Who could resist this happy, handsome boy?